Hi kids, how are you? So let's continue with the third chapter, understanding quadrilaterals. Today I will teach you the topic diagonals. Now what are diagonals? Yeah, so just see in the figure, can you see the dotted lines? Yeah, we call them diagonals. So what are diagonals? A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Can you see all these figures are polygons? Now, what do you mean by non-consecutive vertices? Means which do not touch each other. Okay? They are not near to each other. They are away from each other. So, a diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Means now, for example, you take the first figure. Can you see this rectangle? Yes. Over here, now if you take the angle P, okay. Now, if you want to draw a diagonal from P to S, can you draw? No. Why? Because P is connected to angle S by a line segment. Can you see? P is touching S through a line segment. Same way, P is also touching Q through the line segment PQ. So you cannot draw a diagonal over there also. Now take the angle R. Is angle P anyhow connected to R? No. So it is called a non-consecutive vertex. So you can draw a diagonal from P to R because it is not connected. It is not touching R at any point. Clear? Now same way, if you see from point of view Q. Now from Q, can you draw a diagonal to R? No, because QR is connected with a line segment. Same way, QP, you can't draw a diagonal because QP are connected with a line segment, but there is no connection between angle S and angle Q. So you can draw a diagonal between them. And then how will you name the diagonals? You can name the diagonals as diagonal PR and diagonal QS. So how many diagonals you can draw from a rectangle or from any quadrilateral? Different, but if I say how many diagonals you can draw from a rectangle, so your answer will be 2. Clear? Now let's go for the another figure. Here, how many sides are there? What sort of figure is this? Check out. AB, BC, CD, DE and EA. 5. 5 sides are there. 5 sides are there. So what sort of polygon is this? With 5 sides, what is that polygon named? Pentagon. Yes. Now let's try out pentagon. How many diagonals can be drawn? Now you take point A. Now point A is connected to point E and point A is connected to point B. So you can't draw any diagonal that way. But now A has no connection with angle D. A has no connection with angle C. So you can easily draw a diagonal that way. So you can draw AD. You can draw a line from A to D. So that is your diagonal AD. Same way, similarly, you can draw a diagonal from A to C. That name of the diagonal will be AC. Clear? Same way, now next go to the next point, B. From B, which are the angles connected? Angle A and angle C. So you can't draw diagonals over there. But angle B is not connected to angle E. So you can draw a diagonal over there. So the name of that diagonal will be BE, or you can also call it as EB. Then which other you can draw? B is also not connected to angle D. So you can also draw over there a diagonal. So join the line from B to D and you can name it as BD or DB. Clear? Same way, now check out for C. C is connected to which angles? C is connected to angle D and C is connected to angle B. So there you cannot draw the diagonal. But C is not connected to E, so you can draw a diagonal over there. Then similarly, C is not connected to A, so you can draw a diagonal over there. Clear? So this way you can form diagonals. Now in this pentagon total, how much diagonals you were able to draw? Count. Name the diagonals which are there. Count it. Come on. A, C, A, D, B, E, C, E. So total how many you got? 6 diagonals. Clear? So these are the way we draw diagonals. Now which figure is this? This is a triangle. Now kids, generally over here it is not a triangle. Actually it is a polygon. You can see it was an arrow mark, correct? It was like an arrow shape. This diagram is like an arrow shape. Clear? And it has 4 points. So it is not a triangle. What is it called? It's called a quadrilateral. Which sort of polygon is this? Quadrilateral? It is a concave. Why? Now look over here, kids. See, is L, now L is connected to K. Yes or no? Yes. L is connected to M. Yes. So you can't draw a line over there. You can't draw a diagonal over there. But L is not connected to N. So you can draw a diagonal from L to N. Clear? So one diagonal will be drawn from L to N. But mark it, kids, this diagonal is coming outside the figure, in the exterior of the figure. So whenever a diagonal, when we draw, comes in the exterior of the figure or comes in the exterior of the diagram, such polygons are called concave polygons. Clear? Yeah. Now you take angle N. Angle N is connected to angle M. Angle N is connected to angle K. And now as you have drawn the diagonal, angle N is also connected to angle L. So there is no chance of drawing any diagonals. Now let's take the point K. Now from K, L is connected. From K, N is connected. But from K, M is not connected. Can you see the M? Point M? Yes. So you can draw a diagonal from K to M. So in this figure, in a concave figure like this, you can draw only 2 diagonals. Which are the 2 diagonals over here? One is LN and one is MK. Clear, kids? So what is a diagonal? A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Clear? Non-consecutive means they are not connected, they are not in touch with each other. So clear about diagonals? Okay kid, we continue next time. Bye-bye.